Welcome to another edition of our San Diego walking tour. Today we're taking you to La Jolla Cove and Cabrillo National Monument. Hello,
Hello,
what's going on?
we're in La Jolla Cove and we're here to see the sea lions.
And see other things, not just see the sea lions. So we just walk here and park, and it's a really nice view down there. And there's tons of sea lions down. And there's pelicans on the left side, and sea lions. Okay, I don't know if you can hear the barking. Let's go ahead. Let's go close to the sea lions. We're here still in the Jolla Cove. We're gonna try and get closer to those sea lions. Sometimes they come up to you. The only thing is, oh, here comes the wave. The only thing is, other than the fact that those waves can sneak up to you, is that they kind of stink a little bit. The smell of, I guess, like fishy smell. Look at all of them like playing on those rocks. And they are noisy for sure. There's so many of them on the rocks. And there's the pelicans. We're over here. Mike and Dave are looking for us. And they're not afraid of people. And some of them are just sunbathing right on the rocks. So, what do you think?
There's a lot of sea lions today.
Yeah, there is a lot of them, huh? And a lot of people too on Wednesday. And they are really up close. They come up close to you. They're not afraid of people. And they seem to be just playing. And some of them are just like sleeping and now napping, taking a nap. And this is why it's called La Jolla Cove, because there's these caves or coves that are formed by water on the rocks. Ordinarily you can go in there and explore inside, but there's a sea lion that's right at the entrance just napping, and we don't want to disturb. I just like watching them play. I think that must be a mom and a juvenile. Oh, that little one is playing with it. Mom. Those pelicans and their big birds and their poop. You can see the white poop on the rock. Okay, we're continuing on with our walk around La Jolla Cove. That's the beach we were earlier to get up close and personal with the sea lions. Look at all the pelicans flying around. And there's a group of them down there on the rock. And lots of, what are those, seagulls? Are there seagulls? Those birds. And more sea lions. And of course, eels down there. Really nice day. On the pool side, we have here, it's Mr. Squirrel digging or eating something. What do you think? There's another cove down there. probably you can't access right now because of the water. And there's a little swimming area down there where people are. Frequently during the spring it's closed because that's a popular breeding area where pups and their mothers, seals and sea lions, hang around. Here's a closer view of the two coves here. These coves again are created by the waves of the water. There's someone down there that's going in the water. Of course, it's freezing right now. The water is always cold here. First, there's Mike. I think Mike's gonna go down into the sand down there where those people are. And maybe test the water. That water is beautiful. It's clear, but it has a lot of seaweed or kelp. Is that kelp? Could be. Oh, what is that crane doing up there? Washing windows, maybe? It stopped the traffic. You might get, they blocked the road. Maybe you might get stuck. Where's Mike? Oh, there's Mike now. There is Mike wearing the red hat on the sand. Maybe approaching that lady who is wearing a is that a lady wearing a bathing suit? Oh, there's Mike waving. Let's see if I can take a picture. Zoom in and take a picture. He's walking down. There's someone snorkeling down there. There were two little pups approaching me earlier. I don't know where they are now. Where are the sea lions? Seals? They're gone.
Yeah,
There is a group of pelicans flying overhead. They like playing together and they follow the leader. He's eating fries. So what do you think of their fries?
They're okay.
They're okay, nothing special, right?
Yeah.
And he was disappointed. They don't even have, what did you want to get? Onion rings. Oh, you got a, how about a chocolate shake?
It's okay. It could be bigger.
It's okay, could be bigger. Is that a small or do they come with medium? And you could have ordered something
This is
bigger.
the only size.
Oh, this is the only size. And how many calories does it have?
Like 500 or 600.
500 or 600. So that alone is like supposed to be calorie wise enough for a meal, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what's going on now?
We're at the Cabrillo National Monument.
What's Cabrillo National Monument?
It's like a tiny little national park in San Diego.
Okay, so we are actually right now in the visitor center of the Cabrillo National Monument. So we're gonna see what there is to see. Have you been here before?
No.
Well then, let's go. We only have like an hour or so because they close at 5. Let's go. Let's go to the inside the visitor center. Actually, something special about this. You see something special about this thing here? Yeah. What's special about that exhibit right there? Right here, what is this one you're looking at? Come on,
I don't know.
read it.
The following Thursday, September 28th. Oh, today. No. Today's October.
October 28th, huh?
Nothing.
No. Huh? There's nothing special about
your
September
birthday?
20. Yes, it's my birthday. How could you not remember? It's my birthday. When I
You
saw
were
it the
born in
first.
1542?
Yeah, but it was September 28th though. So this was like centuries before I was born, of course. But I think that's what makes this exhibit special. We're here still at Cabrillo National Monument, right next to the visitor center, and here's a nice view of the San Diego Bay. That right there in the middle of the screen, that island is Coronado Island, and the northern part of it, half of it is part of the Navy base. The rest are like residential, commercial. And you can see downtown San Diego over there. Of course, you can see the Coronado Bridge. Do you see the Coronado Bridge? Right there in the middle of the screen is the Coronado Bridge, which we've never crossed. And then if you keep standing here to the right, you will see, I think over there, the red building there is the Coronado Hotel, where they shot the movie Some Like It Hot with, is it Marilyn Monroe? We're going to the statue of Cabrillo. Here's the lighthouse. Behind that bush. Here's the lighthouse. With a flag right next to it. And there's Dave. Are you sleepy? You're yawning. You don't think so, but you're sleepy. There's Dave going into the lighthouse. So this is where the keeper of the lighthouse used to live. Yeah, start from the bottom here. Okay, here. This is their living room. The parlor. And salon. See, they have a sofa. Okay. Oh, and there's another room on the other side. Which one is that? Oh, it's the kitchen. La cocina. La cocina. Look at the kettle. You think those are original China that they're using? I don't think so. Okay, let's go to the next level. Going up, oops, to the second level. I should stop doing this, I might fall. The second level. Hold on, wait, stop here, we can look here first. The children's room. El cuarto de los niños. They have bedpans. They have ensuite bathrooms. There's one. And there's another ensuite bathroom. They're bedpans. Okay. What's on the other side?
Keeper bedroom.
Oh, this is the master bedroom. El dormitorio del guardian. Here's their bed. It's a California king. And where's their ensuite? Oh, they have a fireplace. Oh, that's where they put their TV. They don't have a bathroom here. Okay, we're going up one more level. It's just the tower is closed though. So we'll see what we find up here. Okay, look out the window. You want to go up those ladders? The ladder. Yeah, but you can see what the light in the lighthouse it looks like. What do you see? Is the original lamp? How a lighthouse works. Can you see how it works? And bring it up here. I think that's the progression of the different light lamps they use over there. Which one's the original one? I think this might be the replica of the original one. Flip it over. And this is really accurate. You know that they still use, they don't use this lighthouse anymore, right? They built one down there. It's quite a hike to go to. Oh, I like how the sunlight reflects off of the ocean water right here. Artsy.